Hi, this is the event or appointment I made, entitled Live Coaching Session Enhancing Virtual Assistant Skills. Um, this is the description of the event. Um, it includes the preparation, agenda, Zoom meeting details, and contact. So, it's already organized and I will save it. Oh, um, that's it. So I will show you my MBA program, 2 weeks program. This is the week one and this is the week two. Um, Let me check. No, here. That's it. Thank you.